Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. OneTravel.com is a comprehensive online travel agency, offering a wide array of travel services designed to cater to diverse travel needs and budgets. From booking flights and hotels to reserving rental cars and arranging cruises, OneTravel aims to provide a one-stop shop for all things travel. The website's interface is user-friendly, allowing travelers to easily search for and compare prices across various airlines, hotel chains, and car rental companies. With a focus on offering competitive prices and travel deals, OneTravel aims to make travel more affordable and accessible to a broader audience. They frequently feature discounted fares and promotional offers, providing opportunities for travelers to save money on their trips. Beyond basic bookings, OneTravel offers additional services like travel insurance and vacation packages, allowing travelers to customize their itineraries and protect their investments. Customer support is available to assist with booking inquiries and address any travel-related questions or concerns that may arise. OneTravel also provides a mobile app for added convenience, enabling users to manage their bookings and access travel information on the go. The platform strives to empower travelers with the tools and resources they need to plan and book their ideal trips, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended vacation. By aggregating options from numerous providers, OneTravel offers a vast selection of travel possibilities, from budget-friendly accommodations to luxurious resorts, economy flights to first-class travel, and everything in between. The site utilizes secure booking technology to ensure the safety and privacy of user information. Furthermore, OneTravel features customer reviews and ratings, providing valuable insights and helping travelers make informed decisions based on the experiences of others. With a commitment to customer satisfaction and a comprehensive range of travel offerings, OneTravel aims to be a valuable resource for individuals and families planning their next adventure. They endeavor to simplify the travel planning process, allowing travelers to focus on the excitement of their upcoming journeys. OneTravel continuously updates its platform and services to reflect evolving travel trends and meet the changing needs of modern travelers.